Silver Mines is quite happy with its development over the last month. We've had a very aggressive month. Being a new company, we've initiated all of our exploration programs here in Mexico. We've mobilized our own drill rig. We've initiated drilling at the La Blanca area. We've also initiated the trenching and mapping programs on all the rest of our properties, and also gone in and developed our database of all the existing or new information we've managed to find on the historical production or historical exploration work here in Mexico. A lot has happened in the last month. We've taken all this big database and we've started to implement it into the field and into our exploration programs. As mentioned, we've now got the drill rig turning at La Blanca, and for all of these projects here in Mexico, it'll be the first time that any of these properties have ever seen a drill hole put in. So we're very pleased with the work that's happened over the last month. We've come a long ways in the last 30 days. In terms of the goal for the next month, we've again got a lot more drilling to do. With the work in the last month, we've now taken all of our projects to a drill-ready stage. We've got one drill rig turning. We've got drill targets on all of our properties, and what our hopes are is to bring in our second drill. We hope to be able to do that in the next month, but we'll work towards that as quickly as we can, and with the goal is to have as much drilling as we can on all of our properties over the next month and on a go-forward basis. In terms of our share price, Mexican Silver Mines is very happy with the share price as it is today. We think that the market has appreciated the work that we've done and the projects that we've put together. Although a lot of people see our projects as grassroots, with all of the projects never being drilled before, these properties have historical production. There are historical mines that are in place. We know that there's a system, that there's a deposit that exists in all of our properties. That's why we've acquired them. And the market cap of Mexican Silver Mines has grown, we think, to come and match the fact that we have known and existing deposits on our properties. We hope that the share price will continue to grow with the results that we'll now bring in. The current development in the markets and the commodity prices, we've seen a drastic decline in the markets last week, with a lot of the markets around the world being hit very heavily. We think that's a good thing. It's a positive thing in the market. It helps clean things out. It allows companies like ourselves that have real projects, good management teams, and strong fundamentals behind us to hold our own course and to hopefully become the main companies that will have the attraction with the markets on a go-forward basis. We think that the commodity prices, although have taken a bit of a fall, they're still holding steady. We think commodities we're still very bullish on the silver price. We see the silver price continuing to grow over the long term. And in terms of the actual equity markets out there, we think that there'll still be a bit of weakness over the next 2 to 3 months. Most share prices, we think, will continue to lag or even continue to fall over the next little while. But I think once we get through the August-September period and we move into the fall of 2007, we'll see the market start to come back. In terms of why someone should invest in Mexican Silver Mines at this point, we have 2 reasons. One, I think with the weakness in the markets, our share price is back at an attractive level. But second of all, we have a very aggressive exploration and development program. We have enough funds in our bank with $13 million in the account right now. We have our feet firmly planted here in Mexico now, with our exploration programs growing quite dramatically as each day goes by. So we hope to be following through with lots of news flow. We'll have lots of results from our exploration, and we hope that the market will follow accordingly. So for investors today, we feel that it's a great opportunity for Mexican Silver Mines. We're just starting to get drilling, and as that drilling progresses, we hope to see the market grow with that.